your partner hates you. You were snoring again all night. But it's not just annoying. Snoring means that body struggles to breathe, especially at night. Extra weight, fluid retention, diaphragm tension, all that can narrow airways. You are choking in your sleep, and so is your partner. For me, things changed when I focused on nutrition, water, and cleansing. I dropped the weight, and breathing got easier, sleeping too, for both of us. If this sounds like you, message me. I'll show you the way to fix it.